Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Twitter or X platform. So all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. First, you need just to go to the twitter.com, log into your account and access your profile. To do so, we need just to click on the more option or the three dot icon here, and we will find here this little menu and click on settings and privacy. By clicking here, it will redirect us to the settings panel or settings menu. Here in this panel, we will find a variety of settings from the account settings, monetization, premium, etc. We need and we are interested in your account settings. By clicking here, we will find another panel where we will find the sub settings of this main setting. So here we will find the account information, change password, and other options or other settings. And all we need to do is to go to the change your password setting, click in here, and then it will appear this form. All you need to do is to fill this form. First, you need just to type or add your current password. After that, you need just to add the new password. So basically, add current password. I will just add new password here. Make sure that this confirmation password match the new password and simply click on save. And as you can see, your password has been successfully updated. After that, you can, if you want to test it, you can try to log out and log in again with your new password, and you will be able to log in with the new password that you have set. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.